crocodiles and hippos fight?
Really, they really fight because, you know, a crocodile might attempt to eat a child that is alone, but it cannot attack a full-grown
અજગર ક્યાં જાય છે? મગર જાય છે? ક્યાં છે? બધા અજગર. Yeah, it's a crocodile also next to them. But where is the crocodile? Oh, nah, that's a hippo, mummy. Mummy એ કીધું crocodile. What if like these hippos are here and a crocodile comes close to them? Will they attack it?
No, they don't bother with it.
They don't bother because they know they cannot be harmed.
Yeah.
Cool.